ఏపీలో పోలవరం నిధులకు సంబంధించిన అంశాలపై రాజ్యసభలో మాట్లాడారు ఎంపీ విజయసాయిరెడ్డి. అనుకున్న లక్ష్యంలోపే ప్రాజెక్టు నిర్మాణం పూర్తయ్యేందుకు కేంద్రం సహకరించాలని కోరారు. ఇందుకు సంబంధించి రావాల్సిన విధులను వెంటనే విడుదల చేయాలని ఇందుకు సంబంధిత శాఖ మంత్రి స్పందిస్తూ ఏపీ ఆర్థిక మంత్రితో ఇప్పటికే చర్చించామని, రావాల్సిన నిధులు త్వరలోనే విడుదల చేస్తామని చెప్పారు.
Polavaram project is a lifeline for Andhra Pradesh state, sir. It is a project that has been taken up by the central government, and the central government has to bear the entire expenditure of the project cost, sir. In fact, government of Andhra Pradesh has fixed a target of completion by December 2021, sir. Since it is a national project, all the funds have to be released by the central government, and to quicken the process, the government of Andhra Pradesh, without even waiting for the central government to release the money, it has started spending the amount. The outstanding amount as on today to be released to government of Andhra Pradesh is 3,805 crores, sir. And as asked by the government of India, as asked by the government of India, the CAG, Controller and Auditor General, has also audited the figures, and then it has confirmed that the amount of 3,805 crores is due to the government of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Honorable CM of Andhra Pradesh, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, has written a letter to the Honorable Prime Minister explaining the details of the problems that are being faced by the state, particularly economic crisis after bifurcation, particularly in the pandemic of COVID. Finding it extremely difficult to further spend money on the Polavaram project, and requested for immediate release of the funds of 3,805 crores, sir. Honorable CM of AP has also given the plans as to how the funds could be released for hassle-free release to avoid the possible delays, sir. In the light of the above, I request the Honorable Minister, Jal Shakti Minister, to immediately take measures to release the funds for the Polavaram project, so that it could be completed by the target date of December 2021, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Associate. If you want, please, quickly. We're more than happy.
Sir, the honourable member has raised a very important issue, and it definitely matters in the interest of the national infrastructure projects also, because that being a national project. The discussion with the Finance Minister of Andhra Pradesh has been going on. I am also in touch with the Water Resources Minister, so that we can get this cleared at the earliest, because there was this gap because of the CAG certification, which Andhra Pradesh has apparently given. We'll follow it up, sir.